You know, anybody that comes with an eye problem is going to be scared, and patients are terrified about losing vision more than any other disease that they could become afflicted with. But retinal patients, they're not only scared, they're desperate, and they know the real meaning of fear.
Vision is the most important thing because that provides independence. Loss of vision means loss of independence. And now we have treatments available to be able to preserve and maybe even improve eyesight.
So much has happened over the past decade in the care of retinal diseases. We've been a large part of that advancement. And for our patients that travel sometimes great distances to come to Illinois Retina, they have access to the latest and greatest technology and advancements that are available.
What is exciting is advances in development of new treatments. So I have been excited to participate in a couple of large clinical trials that have resulted in FDA approval of one new excellent treatment for uveitis in the past year.
Right now we're using drugs that we never even dreamed of about 10 years ago. Previously, patients that we used to just watch decline are now having much better outcomes, and as a result have a much better quality of life because of these new medications that we have.
Over the last decade, probably the biggest thing that's occurred is we've found a certain class of medications that can block leakage and new blood vessel growth in a variety of conditions: wet macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy. However, we don't have a treatment for dry macular degeneration. There are currently several clinical trials. Illinois Retina Associates is a primary site for 2 of these particular trials, and I'm excited and hopeful that we could have a drug that comes to market that could be provided to these patients.
This is a really exciting time to be involved in retina research, not just because we're investigating long-acting drug implants for diseases like age-related macular degeneration and macular edema from a variety of causes, but also because we're entering the era of gene therapy and stem cell therapy. And these treatments could potentially provide us with cures for these debilitating retinal diseases.
And because I know that this is in the pipeline, when I see patients in the office, I tell them we are participating in these trials and this is something that could be provided to you within 5 to 10 years, and I'm very excited about that.
There's so much excitement going on in the field of retina now, and being on the leading edge of research and clinical care gives us the tools to turn desperation into hope, and more than that, to turn their hope into actual vision.